Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Circles by Malone on acoustic guitar. We're going to need to learn 4 chords for this song. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and here's what those chords will sound like. Our 4 chords are C major 7, B minor 11, F major 7, and F minor. We'll play the C major 7 by placing a finger on fret 3 on the A string and fret 2 on the D string and strumming from the A string. Our B minor 11 will be formed this way, with a finger on the 2nd fret A string, the 2nd fret G string, and the 3rd fret B string. An F major 7 will be formed this way, and we've got a finger on fret 3 of the D string, fret 2 of the G string, and fret 1 of the B string, strumming from the F note here on the D string, or we can strum that from the A string. Still sounds okay. We'll play an F minor by simply changing this form like this. We're holding down the D string at fret 3 and barring the G, B, and high E string at fret 1. We can strum the A string with that, or we can just strum from the D string for a more pure sounding F minor chord. And we'll use that strumming pattern this way. So we went down, 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 up, down on the C major 7 chord, up, 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 down on the B minor 11 chord, and then the F major 7, down, 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 up, down, and the F minor, up, 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 down. So here we go. Second time around, C major 7, B minor 11, and then the F major 7, hold it. And that's our progression. Now, since we can play that throughout the entire song, that's all we've got to learn in order to play this song. That's Circles by Malone on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.